Decoration. And they look really smooth. Wow, this looking so nice. Well, colorful. Wow, more color. This is nice. Let's work with the tip. That's peach. That's lip. That's it. Wow, this looks so big.